students. Today we are going to study a poem from 8th standard, that is Why. Why? What a peculiar name to a title for a poem. But even you must be having a question. Why such a title? Why the topic is why. Why the poet? Actually, we don't know the poet. It is anonymous. The poet is unknown. But when we read the poem, we get the answer. Why the poet has given the title Why to the poem. Now, in Chinese they say that if you ask a question, you remain a fool for a second. But if you don't ask a question, you remain a fool for your lifetime. When you ask question, people around will think, oh, he doesn't know such a simple thing. But at least when you will ask, what will happen? You will know about the particular thing throughout your life. But if you will not ask, the question will remain in your mind and you will never get the answer to it. So what is important? To become curious, to become inquisitive and to ask why. Why for so many things? Human beings have progressed from caves to space. Why? Because they had that question why in their mind. If they would never have thought about it, we would have remained where our ancestors started, isn't it? So should we start this poem? That is why. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why, by and by? I know a curious little boy. Curious, eager to know or learn something. Curious. Curious is eager to know or learn something. Your learn is not related with your studies. Learn is to know. Learn is to know. So I know a curious little boy, and usually children are very curious because they don't know many answers and they are simply asking. If you might have spent time with children, they are asking so many questions. Why this happened? Why that is like that? Why it is like that? Why this is happening? What is the reason behind it? They are so curious, eager to know. Who is always asking why? So there is a little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why, by and by? He is always asking the question why. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lake and marble sing, why stars should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So this little boy has many questions in his mind, like why wood doesn't sink, why it swims, why it floats on the water, why lead and marbles, they are heavy and they go beneath the water, they sink, they go beneath the water. Sink means to go below water. Why stars should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Why the wind blows so forcibly? Why we eat? What will happen if we will not eat? What will happen if we will not drink? For how many days we will survive? What changes will happen to our body? All these questions he has in his mind. He wants to know what makes the clouds. He is always observing the sky. And so, he wants to know how the clouds are formed and why they cross the sky, why they move from one side to the other side. Why, since the sun behind the hill, the sun sets. Here sinks means set. Here sinks means sets. The sun goes down, it descends behind the hill. And why the flowers die? Why the flowers never remain as they are? Why they just bloom and for a day or two, and why just they wither away? So he has so many questions. He wants to know why wind should come from out the bellows nose. He is also eager to know why the wind, why the air comes out from bellows nose. Bellows It's used for blowing air while lighting a fire to make the fire burn brightly. It is the below is air is there, and just we are pumping it so that wind air comes out and the light the fire is lighted more. Why pop gun should go pop and why the ocean ebb and flow? He wants to know why from the pop guns the cartridges we can pop anywhere, toy gun it is, and why the ocean ebbs. What do you mean by ebbs? Ebbs means tide water moves away from land. Ebb, tide water moves. Tide water moves away from land. Why tide water moves away from land? You might have heard about high tide and low tide. A time when the water, it gets further and again it gets, why this happens? Ebbs and flows move away from land and again the level increases. He wants to know why fish have gills. Gills, the respiratory organ of the fish through which it breathes. So he wants to know why they have gills, why not nose? And why boys cannot fly? This is the most important question that children have there in their mind. Why, like birds, children can't fly? Why steam comes from the kettle spout? Why? Steam kettle in which you keep the tea. Why, when you just put the tea in the cup, steam is coming out from the kettle spout. Spout means mouth. Steam is coming out. Why it is coming out? Obviously the tea is hot. As soon as the tea will be cold, will steam come out from the kettle's mouth? No. But still, why steam forms there? He wants to know that. And rain falls from the sky. How clouds gather, how rain is formed and how it falls from the sky. He wants so many questions he has in his mind. He wants to know why coal should burn. If you are burning coal, it is totally burned. It turns into ashes. And not a bit of stone. But when you burn stone, does it burn? It remains as it is. Even if you keep it burning for long hours, it will remain as it is. But is the case with coal? No. How seeds get in the apple core? Apple core means the center. Core means the center of fruits. Core, the center of fruits. The central part. How in the apple the seed has gone exactly in the center? Why it's not outside? And marrow in the bone. What is marrow? A soft fatty substance in the cavities of the bone. What is marrow? A soft fatty substance in the cavities of the bone. Now listen, bones are very hard, but this marrow is not hard, it is soft. How is it? It is there existing in the bones. He wants to know why ice should melt, why ice melt, why it doesn't remain as it is, why spider eat the flies, why bees should sting, they pick painfully, and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. What is yeast? Yeast is a fermenting agent. Yeast is a fermenting agent which we usually put in bread and all. Okay, and that's why it gets fluffy. So when you put yeast in when you are kneading the dough, you put yeast, and even the dough, it increases in size, it's become fluffy. So why this happens? He has so many questions. Why ice melts? Why the spider, they are eating the flies? Why the bees sting? How they are able to sting? And why the yeast, whenever it is put in the dough, it rises. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Do you know the answers of so many questions that he has in his mind? But others are no one ever yet has found the reason why. But some of his questions, maybe you will be able to answer some of his questions, but maybe not all. Why? Because no one has been able to find the reason behind. So many questions have remained unanswered, and still people are searching the reasons behind them. So in this poem actually, that is why, it consists of 8 stanzas, and each stanza has 4 lines. And which line is repeated often? He wants to know why. Not only he, even we want to know many of the answers that he has in his mind. Yes or no? As I said, you can progress, you can develop only when you have that curiosity in your mind to know the reason, to know the process, to know everything, and also to understand it. Then only you can progress in your life. So a wonderful poem where the curiosity of the little boy has been portrayed, and the questions which are there in his mind are put forth. Some of the answers to which even we can give, but some are still left unanswered. I hope you must have liked the poem. Yes or no? Why? It's interesting. Why? Because we also have similar question in our mind, and we should seek the answer. And now it has become very easy for us to get all the answers. How? You can just Google it, isn't it? So I hope you must have enjoyed the poem. You can subscribe to the channel to enrich your English. Thank you.